Hey everyone, welcome to AeginaCraft. In this video, we are going to unbox my first ever laser cutter slash engraver. I done some research for the last month and I came across some brands and I emailed them and I reached out, is there any way to cooperate, sponsorship or anything, or what is the future if I make content about your stuff, if I review your stuff or anything. Most of them never got back to me, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna tank one of my credit cards, and I'm gonna buy one on my own because I really need one because I need to diversify my product portfolio. And I ended up buying a brand called Two Trees, like number two, trees, like the plant. And why I bought this? Well, I can't afford I can't afford X2 because that's just expensive. And I checked out the website for every. So I basically I went on Amazon, right? And I made a list of all the brands that Amazon sells, and I cross-referenced their website, their web shop, and their company because I wanted to make sure that if I buy a brand, even if it's a B-list brand or a knockoff brand or something like that, I want to make sure that I have like enough. I don't care about the warranty because every company will void your warranty as soon as they can, so that you have to pay for whatever repairs. I just wanted to make sure that I have spare parts, upgrade path, or whatever, and the company been in production long enough so that I don't kill myself. Because it's a laser, and it makes fire thingies. And just to make sure it doesn't can explode on me. You know what it is. Anyway, so I ended up buying this Two Trees laser cutter for 262 euros from their German depot. And it just arrived today. So I'm going to do an unboxing, second time in my life. And we'll see what it is. I'll try to set it up if I can. And yeah, I'm gonna record the whole process. I reached out to Two Trees too, and they got back to me and they gave me an affiliate link for this product, so that if you want to buy this product, you can get a discount, and I get like 6 to 8% of your purchase price as a commission. Whatever you spend there, like 6-8% comes to me, which is cool, but I'm not gonna put the affiliate link on this video yet because I don't trust the company, I don't trust anything, I don't trust anyone, and I don't want, if I get burned, pun intended, not intended, so if I get burned with this product, I don't want you to get into the same situation. So first, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and you know how no-nonsense I am, so no bullshit. We're going to see it for what it is. And if you want, in some of the next videos I make about this stuff, I might put in the link. Not sure. But I'm not going to fucking shit for any company. You know me. That's why you're here. So let's get packing. Right. So first off, I need to check if you see everything I show. Yes, you actually can see. Let me show you. Mother! I'm professional. I do this for a living. Anyhow, so in the big box, ta-da! In the big box, there are 3 smaller boxes. I guess this is the machine. I bought an air assist thing. So it basically blows air onto the laser so it doesn't catch on fire, as far as I understand. So that's that. This is the chunky boy. And this is another one. It says something in Mandarin, L 150 millimeter. I think this is wood or templates or that's no, it has moving parts as well. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, let's get this bad guy out of the box. Boink. I don't know, man. I used to be a PC gamer. I am a PC gamer. And I used to buy collector's editions and stuff. And I remember in the boxes there were stickers and cool stuff and everything, you know, and merch and everything. And now we just get these cardboard boxes. Anyway, how should we go about this? Because I need to open this mother trucker. So I bought the TTS 10, apparently. TTS 10 Pro. Let me just double check that on my system. I just want to make sure that I got the product I ordered. And you know, these don't have these actual names. They have these serials as names. So I'm just gonna go on the email thingy. Where are you? Okay, there you are. And I bought the TTS 10 Pro. Okay, good. So I got the product I ordered. That's lovely. That's a good thing. Now, we need to reposition this thing, so bear with me here. I have this flexible arm thingy. Yay! That's weird. I wish I had a tripod, but all I could find were just cheap knockoff tripods, and I only record with the phone, so this flexible arm shall do. I open it. It's in the frame, right? You see the thing. I need to lift up the arm so that I can show you this. Oh, come now. Ta-da. All right, fuck it. Let's see. Let's open Pandora's box. Oh, it has a phone. Well, hello. Hello, dear person. Thank you for purchasing. Try and transcend. We are thirsty for terrific. You speak English like I do. Anyways, this is a Ziploc bag, and I have this tag of QC Pass. Somebody did the quality check. You need this for the European Union if you want to sell your stuff. Ooh, I got a metallic something. There is my camera, there is my camera. It's metallic. Dear customers, thank you for choosing us. If you have any questions about the machine, please contact us via Facebook /groups/Sprinter. We hope you have a good time with 2 trees. Thank you. It's very kind of you. Okay, now, next up, I have this piece of paper. I really urge you to always read the manual, just because the product's producer knows more on how to use a product than you do. So always have a manual, always read the manual, always do what the manual says. I don't care about the BS. We don't need the manual. We are men and we die like real men. No, seriously, read fucking manual and act accordingly. Okay, so it's a Q&A on how to do. So it's basically a FAQ. I got a piece of cardboard. That's nice for some reason. Product manual. Okay. And I think you can download it from either here, sorry, or tutorial QR code, download QR code. That's neat. Full colored, German, English. Dude, this is actually comprehensive. Why I have an Irish accent? I don't know. Russian, Deutsch, and English. Dude, this is cool. I am seriously... Wow. Anyway, that's a good manual. I like good manuals. All right, so next up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. It's green. It is fucking awesome. Look at it. Look at it. Observe. I'm gonna walk to the beach on wearing this. Oh my god, this is so cool. Guys, it's Matrix green. Like, seriously Matrix green. It's awesome. I love it. Anyway, I can dork out about the small things. This is a USB printer cable. I don't know how this connection called, but I'm sure you know what I mean when I say printer cable. It has belts and the metallic bits. This is the Rollies keys. Fuck. Screws. I'm getting dehydrated. This is a tube, I think, for the air thingy. Fuck. NN keys. The USB pen drive, I guess, with the software, cable management stuff. This is just metal plates. I think these are the feet. Put your thing back in your pants. These are not that kind of feet. And a U-plug. Comes handy. Okay, what else? Another plastic thingy. Is it just a bunch of plastic? Okay. I am always AC adapter. I'm always worried about the Chinese AC adapters because I worry that they burn the house down. It's hefty, so I'm not that worried about it. This is the measuring thingy to the distance measure, and don't go blind thingy you put on laser according to the pictures. I think they have like a YouTube video on how to. Oh, hello. Look at it. Look at it. It's a fan. Oh, hi. Ooh, this is so Nordic. Roar. Anyway, I guess this is the brain of the thing. And the bag. The foam is quite hefty. Hello. Oh boy, you're heavy. This is actually. This is plastic. This is metal. This is laser thingy. I don't know. All right. So this is the. Ha! There is secret in here. Oh, come on. These are the extra rails. I guess this is like 40-something centimeter wide. Now, question to everyone who has been doing laser things. What sacrificial baseboard you recommend I should use? Because I'm not going to buy one for 100 euros. So you better tell me. This is the laser thing. I'm not going to unbox it because I don't know if I can touch it with greasy, filthy hands. So I'm going to leave it at that. And this is what's in the box. I guess. Yep. That's that. Okay. So yeah, what is the sacrificial baseboard you would recommend? I heard some people use metal, I heard some people use wood, and some people recommended me to buy a block of concrete tile or ceramic tile or something. So what is your opinion? What do you think I should use? If you have any experience with this, because I am not going to buy one sacrificial or baseboard for $100. No bloody way. I'm a cheap ass bastard. Oh, hello. These are extender legs. Okay? Now, if you buy an X2 laser something, this costs you another $60 or $80. And this is just CNC metal rods. And X2 makes you buy them for another extra $60, $80. And I was like, you know what? Nope. That was quite scary, you know. You know, I don't like the Apple kind of business model where they nickel and dime you for everything and they want to keep you in the ecosystem. Okay. I'm making this video, and I'm making these videos because I've been scouring the internet for data on how to use laser and how to purchase a laser engraver and anything. And I'll tell you guys, I've been doing this for like a week, the research stuff, and everybody was like either affiliated with everyone trying to sell me everything or shilling for another company. And I was so pissed that I can't find research material on the internet. So here's I'm sure there is somebody doing it, right? I just couldn't find him. So here I am, and I'm gonna do it for all of us. Okay, so this is the air thingy. I don't even know. You add this to the system, so you push air through, and it has screws, Allen keys, and oh fuck. Okay, so this thing is a aquarium pump, okay, for fish tanks. I swear to God it is. And you keep it outside, and it's gonna press air on the laser when you cut, so you mainly get cleaner cuts, and you don't set things on fire, as far as I understand. So yeah, X2 wanted me to buy this for another $200, and this company sold it for like 50 or 60 or something like that. And I'm like, yeah, that's an indicator on how do you handle your customer base. Anyways, it's wires. Ooh, it says 2 3s. Fancy. Anyway, control. I don't know. It's a lot of things right now. Okay, I am pretty much over whatever you call it. I got sensory overload. So this is what's in the box. The package is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I kind of like it. I didn't get any sample things to test things with, I guess. But, oh, shut up. This is not cardboard. I just realized. This is like the thinnest MDF sheet ever. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna test something on it, I guess, once it's up. Anyway, this is gonna be a long-winded series. This is the first episode. This is the unboxing. You know, I don't BS anyone. I'm gonna say it how it is, and this is gonna be a heck of a fucking journey. So strap in, because episode 2 is coming after I assemble this thing, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions on the assembly. I'd rather not record the assembly because that's gonna take like days, because I don't have so much time now to actually sit down and spend hours setting this bad boy up. So once it's set up, I'm gonna make notes while I'm setting it up, and I'm gonna have a short comprehensive video on my first experience setting this fucker up. All right. Anyway, thanks very much for joining me on this one, guys, and yeah, subscribe, like, and everything else in between. And if you really like my shit, and if you really want me to survive, you can support me on buymeacoffee.com. You can buy me a coffee there, support me with $5 or become a monthly supporter. That helps me to keep the lights on and everything in between, and I can make more videos like this, and I don't have to go paint in houses to survive. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Bye!